In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix YouTube out of date problem. So this process is fairly simple. All you need to do is head over to App Store if you're on an iOS device and Play Store if you're on an Android device. So let's just say, let's go to App Store. Now from here, simply go to search on Play Store, also tap on search and search for the YouTube app. And as you can see from here, simply tap on the YouTube app. And if you see an update button, just make sure to update your YouTube application to the latest version. So if you can't see any update button and your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply uninstall the app first and reinstall it again. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.